Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a website which will help you to make $500 daily. Go to irazoocom. On this website, earn free gift cards and cash. We've paid our members of $161 million in cash. Brands pay us for consumer input. So, we recruit members like you. When you do activities at irazoo, you earn free gift cards and cash. Joining is simple and sign up is free. Start earning now. Scroll down and see how irazoo works. We give away thousands of dollars of free money every day. Join irazoo. Score free cash or gift cards just by completing easy tasks. Bring along your friends and family to earn even faster. Earn points. Share your opinions, play the hottest games, and watch entertaining videos. Everything you do earns points. Choose your rewards. Get paid how you want. We send our rewards weekly. Select from the biggest brands online today like Amazon, or turn those points into PayPal cash. Scroll up and click on Join to create an account. As you can see, you can get paid for completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, searching the web, and more. Enter your email address, your first name, your last name, create your password and click on Create Account button. After that you will be redirected to this page, which is your dashboard. You may play games, take surveys, complete different offers, download other applications. You can also learn more about their referral program. Refer your friends to irazoo and they'll earn an extra 500 points just for accepting your invitation. After that, all they have to do is use our site. Once your referral earns their first 1,000 points by completing offers, promotional points won't count for this goal. You'll get a referral bonus of 100 to 500 points, depending on country. Every referral you invite can earn you this bonus. Invite all your friends and family and watch your points soar. Earn your next referral bonus today by clicking the Refer Friends menu item in the app. Scroll down so that you can see how much points you can earn per referrals, and those points are going to be exchanged into money. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.